Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove an Apple ID from iPhone. Safe sign out guide step by step clearly. First, connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure the battery is above 50% or keep it on charge. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Look at the list of devices and confirm you are signed into the Apple ID you want to remove. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Check which items are syncing, like photos, contacts, notes, and iCloud Drive, so you know what is stored online. Go back one screen and tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now and wait until the backup finishes to protect your data. Return to the Apple ID page and tap Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out for media and purchases if you want to remove the account from App Store services as well. Go back to the Apple ID page again and scroll to the bottom. Tap Sign Out. If Find My iPhone is enabled, enter the Apple ID password when asked, because Apple requires it to turn off activation lock. If you forgot the password, stop here and reset it at I forgot. Apple. Before continuing. Choose whether to keep a copy of data like contacts, keychain, health, and Safari on this iPhone. For a beginner-safe option, toggle on the items you want to keep on the device. Then tap Sign Out. Tap Sign Out again to confirm you want to remove iCloud data from this iPhone. Wait while the iPhone signs out, which can take a minute or two. When you return to Settings, you should see Sign into your iPhone at the top. Now open Settings and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. If you are selling or giving away the phone, tap Erase all content and settings after confirming your backup is complete. If you are keeping the phone, skip the erase and simply sign in with a different Apple ID when ready. To sign in again, go to Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. Enter the new Apple ID email and password, then follow the on-screen prompts. If asked, enter the iPhone passcode and verify with two-factor authentication. Open Find My in Settings and make sure Find My iPhone is turned on for the new account if you want tracking and security. Finally, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and confirm the correct Apple ID is shown for downloads and updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.